Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the topical agent that is the Cipladine ointment, and in market it contains as the povidone iodine IP 5% weight by weight and available iodine that is 0.5% weight by weight water soluble ointment base. Properties are yellowish brown in color, slightly characteristic odor, amorphous powder, and it is soluble in water and in alcohol, but the practically insoluble in organic solvents. Chemical properties are aqueous solution is acidic to litmus. The povidone iodine solution is reddish brown color and a pH of not more than 6. Its non-irritating effect on tissue, comparatively low oral toxicity, its water solubility and its low iodine vapor pressure making it stable. 2. Possible iodine loss makes it the superior to iodine solutions. Solution in most of the applications, solutions are non-staining and can be washed clear from skin and clothing. Next is the storage. It should be stored in airtight containers, that is tightly closed container, the materials of which are resistant to iodine. Next is the uses antiseptic for the surgical scrub and pre-operative antisepsis of the skin. It is also used in gargles and mouthwashes for the treatment of infections in the oral cavity. Various preparations include an aerosol solution, a surgical scrub, a vaginal douches, and a vaginal gel. The next topic is the protein precipitant antimicrobials, that is the silver nitrate. The chemical formula is AgNO3, molecular weight is 169.89. Next is the preparation. It is prepared by the action of hot, nearly concentrated nitric acid on pure silver. 3 parts of silver are added to a solution of 25% nitric acid, heated to expel the nitrous fumes, filtered and evaporated until it is dry. Then the mass is fused to convert the copper nitrate into insoluble oxide. So, obtained the product is dissolved in hot water, filtered it and kept aside in dark place for crystallization. Crystals are collected on the sintered glass crucible and dried at 50 degrees Celsius in dark. Purified of the AgNO3 is costly, therefore the pure silver and nitric acid free from the halogen and sulfur is used. Next is the property of silver nitrate, that is the white color, odorless, rhombic crystals, bitter taste, very soluble in water, springily soluble in alcohol, freely soluble in boiling alcohol, and it becomes grey, greyish, black on exposure to light in presence of organic matter due to liberated the silver. The chemical properties are 1% solution has pH between 4.5 to 6 and 4% solution has PET 5.4 to 6.4. At 212 degrees Celsius, it melts to a slightly yellow liquid which on cooling congeals to a white crystalline mass. At high temperature, it slowly decomposes, evolving the oxide of nitrogen. It produces the chemical reactions of silver ion and nitrate ions. In today's class, I discuss about the cipladine and other reagent, that is the silver nitrate. Thank you for watching.